That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, that my little baby,
that my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique, she make my toes curl when we get it.
Hey y'all, what's good? I'm Erica Denise and welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a video on how to get a sleek ponytail with a hairpiece. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below and make sure if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. But we're just gonna hop right into the video. First, I'm just gonna start off by sectioning my hair. First of all, because I need to dampen every part of it, and as well as I have a lot of hair, so we're going to be putting it into two separate ponytails to make sure it's flat. So right now I'm just spraying it with my spray bottle, getting it nice and wet, and then combing it out. If you want this to be a little bit easier, you could just like hop in the shower and get your head completely wet. Just for my sake of doing this video, I was just trying to be not wet, completely wet. So now I'm going to be taking some gel. I don't know what kind of gel this is. It's from, I don't know where it's from actually. But I barely had any in the container, so I'm just using a little bit. If you want this style to last, you need to use like 10 times as much gel that I use. I basically was just using this hairstyle for a photo shoot. I wore it a couple days after that, but I had to fix it like every day. So now since we got this bottom part all brushed out, we're gonna put that into the first ponytail and make sure it's really tight and secure. So then I'm just gonna part my hair. Make sure it's a good part. But eventually, for some reason, I comb over my part. So, yeah. Adding gel to the top portion. And I'm using a boar bristle brush to sleek it down. Then I'm going to put the two ponytails in a ponytail together. Then I'm going to wet this big old puff and detangle it. Now I'm just gonna braid the hair in one big braid really tightly, and I'm gonna wrap it around into a bun and bobby pin it. So this is my hairpiece. It's extremely tangled, and I'll have a separate video on how I detangle it. But these are the clips, and it comes with an elastic part 2 to tighten it. So you stick the top clip in the top of the ponytail, and then the one that's on the bottom obviously goes in the bottom of the ponytail. Then you get the elastic and pull it tight and secure it, and then I just wrap it around the ponytail. I'm gonna show you how I get it, the piece nice and sleek. So here's after I straightened it, and we're gonna get a tiny piece from up underneath, and we're gonna wrap it around the ponytail so all you see is the hair. And I'm just bobby pinning it. And that is the finished product. I'll post a couple pictures, but make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, shawty, that my little baby,
That my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique. She make my toes curl when we get in.